We've all been there. You open up Telegram and your chat list is an absolute disaster zone. Pinned chats, group notifications going off, and random DMs you just don't need staring you in the face every single day. You've probably wondered if you can actually hide chats to clean things up without straight up deleting them or blocking people. Good news is, you totally can. Let's walk through how to archive and unhide them on both mobile and desktop. Telegram doesn't have a magical make this invisible button, but they do have the next best thing, the archived chats folder. If you're on your phone, doing this takes literally 1 second. Find the chat you want out of sight and just swipe left on it. Boom, it instantly zips up to the very top of your screen into a folder called Archived Chats. If you're on desktop, it's just as easy. Right-click the chat you want gone and select Archive from the menu. Once it's in there, it stays out of your main feed. And if you get a message from someone in that folder, it stays hidden, quietly, unless you've set it to notify you. To keep it completely out of sight, even when a new message drops, you can long press the archive folder itself and hit Hide from Chat List. Or in desktop, click the right mouse button and press Collapse from the menu. Now, what happens when you actually need to talk to that person again, or check that hidden group? How do you unhide it? Super simple. Just scroll all the way to the top of your main chat list, where that archived chats folder lives, and tap to open it. Find the chat you want back in your main feed. On mobile, just swipe left on it again to unarchive it. On desktop, right-click the chat and hit Unarchive. Just like that, it drops right back down into your normal inbox, exactly where it used to be. It's honestly the easiest way to keep your Telegram looking clean without losing track of important conversations. If this quick guide helped clear things up, hit that like button and let me know in the comments what other Telegram features drive you nuts. Catch you in the next one.